number of times. Remember how we do this one? We do this one right here where you put your hand here. Okay, that's one. This one, we turn it and then push on the, okay, you see what I mean?
Turn the head.
Push it here. And now, what you can do is, the more you push in towards me and lift up, the more pain he's in. So then, when you do this, when you pull up on the hand and then pull it up, his arm, his leg is, his head is in that position. Then, that's how you break that.
I probably found good. Okay, try.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Right here. Once you're in this
You're good.
position,
Go for it.
this will come across, and see this, you push up, and then now I don't want to hurt his neck, so I'm going to just turn him. See what I'm doing? I'm not hurting him now, but that's what you're doing with the hand, only you don't turn. You're doing that.
You're not twisting his hand.
No. You want to take the head, push it in towards your body, and then lift up. So once his head is like this, all I can do is just snap. Okay? Be careful. That's it. Be careful with his glass. Now, put your hand under his hand. And as you do this, let him get a little bit further. Here, and lift. You have to tap. You're in this position. And when I lift up, I do
Okay, so when you're here, it's not so much how tight you squeeze, but it's how much leverage you
Well, right. It's because you're not pulling straight up. You pull up into the side. It's not. And they teach you this. So you don't grab it. That's it. Wait, do it again.
That was great.
Okay, do it again. Right, like that, and then so you're not pulling up. Okay. Grab. Pulls him in. See. And you wrap, go ahead, wrap. Once you wrap, I want you to straighten your hand out, like this. And then I want you to pull in. You put this hand on your hand, like this. Put it on your hand. Put one hand on the other, on the back of the hand. Put it like this.
Grab your hand, Matt.
Like this. Look. Right here. Look at your hand. Right here. There you go. Now, when you do that, I want you to take it in. Okay? Now it's time.
Jab.
Okay. Next, like I said, we're only going to do these a couple times, but these are all things that you can use when the punches are swinging and they want to make contact. Okay?
Gentlemen, Mr. Jackson.
All right. Now, again, the punches are thrown. He throws a right hand, and I block the right hand thing. Throw it like a semi-Street Fighter's punch. And I block, okay. And now he wants to reach in and tackle me. So you run in, and I'm too slow. I don't catch it. Okay, I don't catch it like the other one. Wasn't able to catch it like the other one where I got the arm in. Okay, so he throws that punch. Now he runs in and tackles. Good. Tackle. Who played football? All right. So he throws that right hand, block, and he steps in and tackle. Good. He's going to tackle. All right. Now I didn't get there. Right. So in this position, let's just say this is street. This is not, UFC. So this is first. First thing, actually, I'm sorry, because if he's knocking you backwards, what do? You plant, okay? You have to sprawl, at least with one leg. This goes right to the spine, okay?